Business loans for bad credit. How to get money for your business. How about trying other options? Are banks and credit unions turning you down? They aren't the only lenders out there. Per the U.S. Department of Revenue, most business loans and credit lines that are available today don't come from big conventional banks. Here are some more options that you can try and that are proven to work. One option is cash flow financing. It is one of the more popular types of business financing today. This is fast and easy money. All that is needed for approval is a 6-month bank statement review. You can typically get approved for 10 to 12% of your annual revenue. $600,000 in annual revenue can get you a $60,000 loan, and $400,000 in annual revenue can get you a $40,000 loan. There will be no collateral requirements. Lenders will often lend to as low as a 500 FICO score. Some lenders don't have credit requirements at all. Often, you need to be in business for at least a year. You should have revenue for over $10,000 monthly. You will need to have more than 10 monthly deposits. You will need to be able to show a positive bank balance at the end of each month. Once you have paid back half of your loan, you will get offered another loan. Terms will get longer and the rates will get better. Over 70% of funded customers will come back and get more money. Check out business revenue lending and cash advances. One place to turn to is business revenue lending and cash advances. These are not loans. Rather, business revenue lending, also known as cash flow financing, is an advance. It is based upon the expected future sales and revenues of a business. You can get 72-hour funding. Let's recap. Look at your options. Consider funding sources that aren't even loans at all. Unsecured business financing or government grants are an option. Contact us today to learn more about business loans for bad credit, how to get money for your business.